what's up guys, welcome back to the video. So today we're going to unboxing severe Valkrie. So yeah, I unboxed it, so I'll just show you it and do some test launch. So yeah, like and subscribe for more videos like this. And yeah, I only have 2 bays right now. So yeah, let's get started. This is the chip, as you know, Valkrie, Savior Ring, Armor 7, and the driver shot. As you can see, yep, and it's activated. So now I'm going to show you the launcher. You might know this. You know, this is like you put this on which side, like left side if you want to do a left spin, and right side if you want to do right spin. So yeah, this is the the whatever what we call it, and this is the main part. So yeah, I want it in right spin since it's right spin big lid. And now I'm going to join the whole Beyblade together. So here it is, as you can see. Here it is, as you can see. This is the whole Beyblade. Pretty nice, I got to say. So yeah, I guess like that's it. Now I'm going to do some test launches. As you can see, the short driver activated. It's like over there, as you can see. So that was test launch number 1. I'm going to show you it again. This time it activates again. Okay, so I think that's it for the test launches. And yeah, I'll just do one battle, then I show you one more thing, and then yeah, let's see. Yeah, there you go, the video ends. Wait, I'll launch Valkrie first. Sorry for wait. It takes time because I'm wait a minute please. As you can see, I launched them both. Here's vanished, and here's so yeah, I'm just doing